Mark Elliott Zuckerberg was born on May 14, 1984 in White Plains, New York, to a family that fostered his intellectual curiosity. His father, Edward Zuckerberg, was a dentist, while his mother, Karen Kempner, worked as a psychiatrist. Growing up in Dobbs Ferry, New York, with his three sisters, Randy, Donna, and Ariel, Mark was exposed to a stimulating environment that encouraged learning and exploration. From a young age, Mark displayed a keen interest in computers and technology. His passion was nurtured by his father, who recognized his son's aptitude and provided him with early access to computers. At the age of 12, Mark had already created a messaging program called ZuckNet that allowed computers within his home and his father's dental office to communicate with each other. This early foray into programming foreshadowed the groundbreaking innovations he would later bring to the world. As Mark's interest in programming grew, so did his skills. He began taking graduate-level computer science courses at nearby Mercy College while still in high school. His talent and dedication were evident, and he quickly gained a reputation as a programming prodigy. During his high school years, he developed a music recommendation software called Synapse that used artificial intelligence to learn users' listening habits and suggest songs they might enjoy. Synapse garnered significant attention from companies like AOL and Microsoft, who recognized the potential of Mark's creation and his exceptional abilities. Despite receiving lucrative offers, Mark chose to pursue higher education at Harvard University. This decision would prove pivotal in his journey, as it was at Harvard that he would lay the foundation for what would become the world's largest social networking platform. At Harvard, Mark Zuckerberg's reputation as a programming whiz kid preceded him. He quickly immersed himself in the university's vibrant intellectual atmosphere, excelling in his computer science courses and engaging in lively discussions about technology and its potential. It was during this time that he began developing websites and applications that showcased his creativity and technical prowess. One such project was CourseMatch, a website that allowed Harvard students to see what classes their friends were taking. This simple yet innovative tool proved to be immensely popular, demonstrating Mark's ability to understand and address the needs of his peers. He followed this success with FaceMash, a website that allowed users to rate the attractiveness of their fellow students. While FaceMash was short-lived due to privacy concerns, it provided valuable insights into the power of online social networks and the dynamics of user engagement. These lessons would prove invaluable as Mark began work on his most ambitious project yet, a website that would connect people from all over the world and revolutionize the way we communicate. In February 2004, Mark Zuckerberg, along with his roommates Eduardo Saverin, Andrew McCollum, Dustin Moskovitz, and Chris Hughes, launched the Facebook from their Harvard dorm room. Initially exclusive to Harvard students, the website provided a platform for users to create profiles, share information about themselves, and connect with friends within the university. The response was immediate and overwhelming. Within weeks, the Facebook had spread to other Ivy League universities, and soon students from colleges and universities across the United States were clamoring to join. The platform's user-friendly interface, its ability to foster a sense of community, and its potential for connecting with friends and acquaintances made it an instant hit. Recognizing the enormous potential of their creation, Mark and his co-founders dropped the from the name, and Facebook was officially born. By the end of 2004, Facebook had amassed over 1 million users, and its growth showed no signs of slowing down. The website's success attracted the attention of investors, and soon Facebook secured funding that allowed it to expand its operations and hire new talent. In 2006, Facebook opened its doors to anyone over the age of 13, and its user base exploded, quickly becoming a global phenomenon. As Facebook's dominance in the social networking realm grew, Mark Zuckerberg set his sights on expanding the company's reach and influence through strategic acquisitions. These acquisitions were not only aimed at acquiring new users, but also at bringing innovative technologies and talented teams under the Facebook umbrella. One of the most significant acquisitions in Facebook's history was the purchase of Instagram in 2012 for a staggering $1 billion. At the time, Instagram was a rapidly growing photo-sharing app that had captured the attention of millions of users worldwide. Zuckerberg recognized Instagram's potential to complement Facebook's existing platform by providing users with a more visual and engaging way to share their lives and connect with others. The acquisition proved to be a wise investment as Instagram continued to grow exponentially, eventually becoming one of the most popular social media platforms in the world. In 2014, Facebook made another game-changing acquisition with the purchase of WhatsApp for $19 billion. WhatsApp was a messaging app that had gained immense popularity for its simplicity, reliability, and end-to-end encryption. This acquisition gave Facebook a foothold in the rapidly growing messaging market, further solidifying its position as a leader in the social media landscape. Continuing its strategy of acquiring companies with cutting-edge technologies, Facebook acquired Oculus VR, a virtual reality technology company, in 2014 for $2 billion. This acquisition signaled Facebook's ambition to be at the forefront of the emerging virtual reality and augmented reality industries. Zuckerberg envisioned a future where people would connect and interact in immersive virtual worlds, and the acquisition of Oculus VR was a major step towards realizing that vision. Section 5. A Metaverse Future, Rebranding to Meta. In 2021, Mark Zuckerberg announced that Facebook would be rebranding itself as Meta Platforms, Inc., reflecting the company's shift in focus towards building the metaverse. The metaverse, a term coined in science fiction, refers to a collective virtual shared space created by the convergence of virtually enhanced physical reality and digitally persistent virtual spaces, including the sum of all virtual worlds, augmented reality, and the internet. Zuckerberg's vision for the metaverse is to create a persistent, immersive, digital world where people can interact with each other, work, play, and learn in ways that are currently unimaginable. He believes that the metaverse has the potential to revolutionize the way we live, work, and connect with each other, just as the internet did decades before. The rebranding to Meta was met with mixed reactions. Some saw it as a bold and visionary move, while others were skeptical of the company's motives, citing Facebook's history of privacy concerns and the potential for the metaverse to exacerbate existing social problems. Despite the skepticism, Meta has been investing heavily in developing the technologies and platforms that will power the metaverse, including virtual reality headsets, augmented reality glasses, and advanced artificial intelligence. Section 6. Beyond the Screen, Philanthropy and Family Life. While Mark Zuckerberg is best known for his role in shaping the digital world, he is also deeply involved in philanthropic endeavors and maintains a relatively private family life. In 2010, he signed the Giving Pledge, committing to donate the majority of his wealth to philanthropic causes during his lifetime. He and his wife, Priscilla Chan, a pediatrician and philanthropist, established the Chan Zuckerberg Initiative, or CZI, a limited liability company dedicated to addressing some of the world's most pressing challenges. CZI focuses on areas such as education, science, criminal justice reform, and affordable housing. The initiative has committed billions of dollars to funding research, supporting non-profit organizations, and advocating for policy changes that promote equality and opportunity. One of CZI's most ambitious goals is to cure, manage, or prevent all diseases by the end of the century. Despite his demanding career, Zuckerberg makes it a priority to spend time with his family. He and Priscilla have 2 daughters, Max and August. Zuckerberg often shares glimpses of his family life on his Facebook page, posting photos and anecdotes that reveal a more personal side of the tech mogul. He has spoken openly about the importance of work-life balance and the joys of fatherhood. Section 7. Navigating the Labyrinth, Controversies and Challenges. Mark Zuckerberg's journey to becoming one of the most influential figures in the world has not been without its share of controversies and challenges. Facebook, despite its global reach and positive impact on connecting people, has been embroiled in numerous scandals and controversies over the years. One of the most significant controversies involves the company's handling of user data and privacy. Facebook has been accused of collecting, storing, and sharing user data without adequate consent and transparency. The Cambridge Analytica scandal, which involved the harvesting of millions of Facebook users' data without their knowledge or consent for political profiling, brought the issue of data privacy to the forefront of public discourse. Facebook faced intense scrutiny from regulators, lawmakers, and the public, leading to calls for stricter regulations on data collection and usage. Another major challenge facing Facebook is the spread of misinformation, hate speech, and harmful content on its platform. The company has been criticized for not doing enough to combat the spread of fake news, propaganda, and incitements to violence. Facebook has implemented various measures to address these issues, including hiring thousands of content moderators, investing in artificial intelligence to detect and remove harmful content, and partnering with fact-checking organizations. However, the sheer volume of content shared on Facebook and the constantly evolving tactics of those who seek to exploit the platform make it an ongoing battle. Section 8. A legacy in progress shaping the digital age. Mark Zuckerberg's legacy is still being written. He has undoubtedly left an indelible mark on the world, transforming the way billions of people communicate, consume information, and connect with each other. His creation, Facebook, has become an integral part of modern society, shaping social norms, influencing political discourse, and driving economic growth. However, Zuckerberg's legacy is also intertwined with the challenges and controversies that have plagued Facebook. His decisions and actions in the coming years will determine whether he will be remembered as a visionary who connected the world or as a tech titan who failed to address the ethical implications of his creations. Zuckerberg's vision for the metaverse presents both immense opportunities and potential risks. If successful, the metaverse could revolutionize how we live, work, and interact, creating new avenues for creativity, collaboration, and human connection. However, it also raises concerns about privacy, security, and the potential for exacerbating existing inequalities. Only time will tell how Zuckerberg's bet on the metaverse will unfold and what impact it will have on his legacy. One thing is certain, Mark Zuckerberg's journey is far from over. As he continues to navigate the complex landscape of technology, ethics, and societal impact, the world will be watching closely to see what the next chapter holds for the man who connected billions.